Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mexmew. I'm Mex. Do you often connect to free Wi-Fi at malls, coffee shops, or gyms? Be careful. Connecting your phone to public Wi-Fi without the right settings is like leaving your front door wide open for hackers. Every Wi-Fi router can track which websites you visit and which apps you use through your phone's unique identity. In this video, I'll show you how to enable randomized MAC address to keep your internet activity private and untraceable. Support this channel by clicking like and subscribe. Let's boost your internet security. Step 1. Access your network settings. Open your phone's main settings, select Connections, and go to the Wi-Fi menu. Tap the gear icon next to the name of the Wi-Fi network you're currently using. Step 2. Find the hidden privacy setting. Tap on View More or Advanced. There, you will find a menu called MAC Address Type. By default, phones usually use Phone MAC Address. This is a permanent ID that never changes, making it incredibly easy for router owners or hackers to track your movements and habits. Step 3. Enable Randomized MAC. Change that setting to Randomized MAC. With this feature enabled, your phone will generate a temporary fake identity every time it connects to a new network. It's like wearing a digital mask in public. No one can recognize who you are or monitor what you're doing online. And that's it. Every time you're out and about connecting to a strange Wi-Fi, make sure this feature is always active. It's a simple yet powerful step to keep your personal data safe from prying eyes. I'm Max. Thanks for watching. Did you know about this feature? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.